Uh, Morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss exercise 22b according to your textbook, volumes of cuboid and cube. In last class we have done total surface area of cubes and cuboids. Today we are going to do volume of cube and cuboid. This is exercise 22b and first question 1 part 1. You have to find out the volume of cuboid whose length equals to 2 centimeter, breadth is equal to 3 centimeter and height is equal to 5 centimeter. It's very simple. You just write the formula and put the value. Volume is length into breadth into height, means 2 into 3 into 5. 3 to the 6, 5 the 30 and unit will be centimeter cube. So in this way you have to do. This is 1 part 1. Similarly 2 part 1. 2 part 1. Again length is given 5 centimeter, breadth is 5 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter. So volume for cuboid is length into breadth into height equals to 5 into 5 into 4. 5 5 is 25, 25 4 is 100 centimeter cube. So in this way you have to do. And question number 4. Question number 4 is for cube whose value is given. Number 1, A equals to 3 centimeter. Now volume equals to A cube. A means 3. 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27 centimeter cube. So in this way you have to do. 4 part 2. 4 part 2. A equals to 1 by 5 centimeter and volume equals to A cube. So A means 1 by 5. 1 by 5 to the power 3. So you just write 1 by 5 3 times. So answer is 1 divided by 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125 centimeter cube. So in this way you have to do. Okay. And this is 5 part 1 again from cube. 5 part 1. 5 part 1. Volume is given 216 centimeter cube. You have to find out A, which is side or edge. Okay, so volume equals to A cube. 216 equals to A cube. 216 cube root equals to A. If you take out LCM, you will get 6 into 6 into 6 equals to A. Cube root means from the 3 number you have to take 1. So 6 is equal to A. So in this way you have to do. Similarly 5 part 2. Similarly 5 part 2. Volume equals to 512 centimeter cube. Again you have to find out A. So we know that volume of cube is A cube. So 512 equals to A cube. 512 equals to A. Okay, take out LCM. You will get 8 into 8 into 8 is equals to A. So answer will be 8. So A is equal to 8. Now question number 8 is from cuboid. Okay. So I am doing all the cuboid questions here and all the cube question here. Okay. So that it will be easy for you. Now here volume is given. Volume is given 2000 meter cube where length is given 25 meter, breadth is given 20 meter. You have to find out height. Formula is volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Okay. Now just put the value. 2000. What is length? 25 into 20 into height. After that 2000 divided by, you just copy as it is, 25 into 20 equals to h. Now this 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. 200. After that 25 4s are 100. So h equals to 4 meter. And today's last question is question number 9, and this particular question is difficult. Okay. Question number 9, you have to find out volume. This is from cuboid. You have to find out volume where one face has area. One face of cube has area equals to 64 centimeter square. Now this is important. One face of area is 64 centimeter. Now if it is one face, then it is square. Okay, so first you find out area. Use this formula. By using area, you have to find out A. So 64 equals to A square. 64 equals to under root 64 equals to A, therefore 8 equals to A. Okay, after that you find out volume. Volume equals to A cube, where A means 8. 8 cube means 8 into 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64. 64 into 8 is 512 centimeter cube. Okay, so today I have done up to question number 9, and up question number 10, 11, 12 you practice yourself. Thank you very much.